In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Under Armour official store, ensuring you can shop seamlessly and take full advantage of their free shipping offer. Whether you're gearing up for a marathon, a gym session, or just looking to expand your wardrobe with some high-quality athletic apparel, this guide will help you through the process with ease. So, let's get started by opening your web browser and directing it to the Under Armour official website. You'll want to type in the URL underarmour.com into your address bar. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you'll find a vast selection of apparel, shoes, and gear for all your sporting needs. As you land on their homepage, you'll notice a well-organized navigation bar at the top, making it simple to browse different categories like men's, women's, and kids sections. Take a moment to explore these categories and see what catches your eye. When you find an item you're interested in, whether it's the new running shoes or a performance t-shirt, simply click on it to get more details such as available sizes, colors, and fabric technology. This extra information can be quite useful to ensure the product meets your specific needs. Once you've made your selection, it's time to move it to your cart by clicking the conveniently placed Add to Cart button on the product page. You'll receive a confirmation that your item has been added, so no worries there. Now, if you're ready to review your cart or proceed to checkout, you can do so by clicking on the cart icon. This is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. It looks like a shopping bag and will have a number indicating how many items you've added so far. In this step, you'll get a breakdown of all the items, including prices and quantity. Make sure everything's accurate and that you haven't missed anything you might want. Under Armour sometimes offers promo codes or discounts on your purchase, so keep an eye out for any applicable promotions or discount codes you can enter at checkout to save a little extra. Finally, when you're satisfied with your cart, click on the checkout button to proceed. You'll be asked to sign in or create an account, which is necessary in order to access the free shipping and other benefits. Enter your shipping details and preferred payment option. Double check everything to ensure there are no errors before you place your order. And there you have it, a stress-free way to shop on the Under Armour official store. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying your latest Under Armour purchase with the ease of free delivery right to your doorstep. Thanks for